Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to download files using curl command on Linux. So in order to do it, of course, we have to go into our terminal, so I will press on show apps and press on terminal in order to open it. And how do we use this command? First of all, we need to make sure if our curl command is installed. How can we do it? We can do it basically by typing in curl ---- version. For me it is installed. If you don't have it installed, you can go back to the video when I showed how to install it. For me it's okay, so we can move on to our downloading process. And how can we download files? It's really simple. Of course we have to type in curl, and right now we have to choose an option. I will show you two options in the video. The first option will be minus and big O. And that means that we will save the file using its original name from the server. So right now we have to paste the link to our file right here. I prepared a site when we can download the random file and we can test it. So basically we will maybe download this smallest one to not make a video really long, but it's okay. And right now I pasted this link and I have to type in the name of the file that I want to download, so it will be 100 megabytes.bin, and I will press enter. And as you can see, our downloading process has started, and we can see there is a percentage. It's on 60% right now. The resigned amount of data, the total time spent, the speed, and as you can see right now, if I will list it, my 100 megabytes.bin is right here, so the download is successful. We can also choose my own name to the file that I want to download. Right now, right here the name is simple, but some files might have very long names, very complicated names, and I want to, for example, name it straight away in the terminal to my own name. So we'll use something like this, and right now we will also use O, but the small one. And again, not right now. Right now we have to type in the name of our file. So for example, file.bin, and right now we can move on to pasting our link again. So I paste it right here, but not like this. I pressed Ctrl+C by accident, so I have to remove that, but it doesn't really matter. I have something like this, and again 100 megabytes.bin, and I will press enter. And again we have the same things: the percentage, the total, the received, the times, the average load, and the speed upload. And as you can see, it is downloaded, and we can leave that, and we have our file.bin. Right here is the 100 megabytes.bin. We change it right there, and right here we have the file.bin between the two text files, and everything's working. And that's basically how you can download files with a curl command. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.